It's Anthony. It's back with Anthony and
Michael Lego Man 154.
And today we're gonna be doing an inside challenge. Today we're gonna be doing opening a grenade.
It's a fake grenade.
Yeah, it's fake grenade. We're not gonna really open a grenade. We're gonna be using this to maybe smash it. Using this to unscrew it.
And yeah,
So enjoy.
Okay. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And let's go.
Let's go.
And today, Okay, he got one screw out.
Wait.
We're also gonna see who could do it, who could open it the fastest, kind of ish, because we're gonna take a turn. Like here, he has 2 screws out.
Okay.
Now, let me.
Get the other 2 screws. Yeah. So you should watch Michael's videos. They're pretty good. I like them too. But yeah, comment down below him and mine, of course,
And subscribe.
We love making videos.
And shout out today, 2 shout outs for today. People are, it's gonna be Mariah and
Swell.
this one. And oh, I got the bottom off. There's just the batteries.
Okay, Michael, give me a minute. Okay.
And yeah, so
Ready, set, go. Oh,
you made a hole.
ooh.
You already got it open.
Look what I found. I found this inside it. See?
Wait.
Look what's inside it. This.
Like it's like
A big battery.
it's not. It's like the battery holder that holds the battery. Let me show it together. It's like one of these battery holders for like these really tiny batteries, like these circular batteries. And we also found a magnet in here.
Wait, let's take out the magnet.
First,
Michael. Let me. Okay.
let me. So, how you take out the magnet is.
Wait, Michael. We're gonna rip it out.
Oh my God. I'll show you.
Michael, I know. Come on, this is my thing.
Okay, so I said comment, like, subscribe to both of our channels, click the like button,
And love it. Bye there, Luigi. Okay, right now we're taking out the thing. So, if you want to see what's inside it, I don't even really care about this thing anymore.
Well, there's a few reasons why we're not uploading that much since
Yeah, because there's been a lot of things been opening. A lot of things have been going. We've been having school.
Yeah, so now we don't have really that much time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You ripped it open. So then,
Oh shoot! You see this? That was inside it. Oh shoot, Michael! That looks like a disc.
and it looks like this disc is inside of this.
Oh, crap!
Let me try to open it. Okay, there, I got it. And this is the main part of the battery. And wait,
Michael,
is this-
Michael! No, I don't want to.
And I always think that this is a magnet because I have something like this. And wait, is it? I don't know. Wait,
Michael.
let's see what's inside this also. Is that a good
Really?
idea? Maybe. All right.
Okay, let's smash this thing. Let's smash the little motherfucker open. Let's rip off this, Michael. How the fuck are you ripping this off?
Oh, you got
What
it.
the hell?
It's like this buzzer.
What?
Like, wait, hear this.
Yeah, it's weird.
And we
What
thought.
was it for? Wait. Ow, shit, that hurt me.
And I think
What
this
the
is,
hell?
And And I think this is something like a disc or something.
Yeah.
Let me try to break this open.
No, not that.
Oh, I got the wires off. But I got this and that. Well, mostly this is
This is the main part.
See this?
No, this is the main part.
Guys, this is mostly the main part. You see this? Because this is all like the center. So,
Oh my god, you hear this? We made a new sound. Look. Look.
That's cool. So,
Yeah. So
Maybe-
like, subscribe, and
maybe-
we'll see you next time. Goodbye.